everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today is Friday, meaning that it's my last day of work for the week, and honestly, I'm pretty excited because I've been working on this project for work for quite some time now, and I'd say I'm actually making some actual progress, which is kind of crazy because it did take me a while to learn how to make certain features that the boss was asking me to do, but after I got over that hump, it's been getting a lot easier. After work, I have an end of term special dinner for one of my clubs, which is called KCF. It is like a Christian fellowship, so that will be a lot of fun, and it is a formal, so I'll have to kind of dress up for that. I don't really have a suit, so that's going to be a bit of an experience, but my friend is coming over at 5, then we can both get ready for our end of term by kind of doing up our hair, stuff like that. It'll be fun. Let's get going to work because I'm actually running a tiny bit late since I unfortunately slept past my alarm. Whoops. Let's go. Everyone, so I just finished the majority of my work. I only have an hour left. Basically, my work is really chill, so I'm really able to use my lunch break whenever I feel like it. And I usually like using it closer to the end so that I can get most of my work over with. I'm gonna be trying out a new pork knuckles place that I've never tried out before for lunch. Let's just see how it tastes. Also getting bubble tea after because I need more caffeine and that iced Americano has not been enough. Let's go. Need to get ready. Josh just came actually a couple minutes ago. Turns out he just needed to borrow some wax. So I luckily had some extra and was able to give him a bit. But now I need to do my hair because I cannot be showing up with a bowl cut. That would be bad. So let's get that ready and then we'll be going to the banquet. If I don't mess up, this will maybe take 6 minutes, I'm guessing. Well done. Well done. One sec. Okay. The last thing I need is a belt because my waist is tiny, so I don't want my pants falling off because that would be very embarrassing. For the banquet, apparently we're supposed to wear black and formal. Unfortunately, since I'm here on my co-op, I didn't really think of bringing any nice dress clothes, so a polo is honestly the best thing I have in black, so hopefully they don't make fun of me for that. And I also have these really baggy dress pants. That's the fit. Now let's get going or else I'll definitely be late.
Okay, we're gonna announce the results.
Yo! everyone, or actually, wait, what time is it? Oh my gosh, good afternoon guys. It is already 1 p.m. today. Last night was so much fun. A lot of the speeches were like so funny, but at the same time kind of sad. I still couldn't believe some people are already in their like final year and graduating in just a couple weeks, which is just kind of crazy. If you're watching this, Wes, good luck after graduation. It's very nice knowing you. But we also played a bunch of fun games just to end it off. And then we went to Burger King actually and just sat there and talked after. So I didn't really sleep until like 3. And I honestly didn't wake up until 11. So for the past 2 hours-ish, I was just having a lazy morning and getting started with some editing. Later in the day, I do need to focus a bit more on coding. I'm gonna quickly cook a steak for lunch and some salad as well. And then after that, I'm gonna be heading to Toronto to get some more work done, get a couple gifts. I actually need to buy my friend Victor a gift and also my sister something from Lululemon, then dinner in Toronto. Let's get going with the day. Good. I haven't had steak in like 4 days, so I'm really craving it right now. Yeah, I definitely overcooked it, but it's okay. Still okay. A steak salad has honestly been like my go-to combo, I'd say. Perfect. Hey everyone, so I just got to Toronto. First thing I need to do is get my friend Victor a gift. So I just arrived at like a Gundam store. Let's go. Today's been a long day. I was just working on some code for the past while now, ever since I pretty much got back and out of the shower. I actually found a really good website called MDN Web Docs, and this is the site here, and it actually goes through all of the fundamentals for JavaScript, which is very helpful and was exactly what I was looking for. How it works is that it basically shows you the code and then walks you through how each line works, which is pretty useful, especially for myself since I'm a bit of a slow learner, I have to say, when it comes to coding. If I can stick to this site and get through all the different modules, I should be good to start adding more features to my current side project, which is JSX heavy, I'd say. On another note though, I found a gift for Victor. I got him a really big Gundam. If you don't know, Victor is one of my best friends from high school. If you've watched any of my high school vlogs, you would have at least seen him once, because I think he's in literally every single one of my high school vlogs, which is crazy. Because of that, I made sure to pick a good one for him. I actually had to call a good friend of mine as well, Kevin, to ask for Gundam recommendations, because I do not know Gundams at all, and I don't want to get Victor a bad Gundam per se, so hopefully I didn't miss. If you guys know Gundams, let me know in the comments what Gundam I should buy Victor next year. I also have a K-pop album that I bought him a while ago, a month ago, for his birthday, because his birthday is actually a month ago. I just never mailed his gift out to him. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the K-pop album in here. I have an extra photo card case for K-pop photo cards, and I also have his favorite K-pop idol. Last month I went K-pop shopping and bought 2 IVE albums, because I like Isa from IVE and Victor really likes, oh yeah, her name's Liz, I almost forgot. I opened both of them because I know that he loves Liz to death, so I just had to make sure that Liz was in the album. Luckily, in one of these I did actually pull Liz, which is great. It's actually this one where I pulled Liz. I'm just gonna put this Liz photo card in this special case so that it's extra protected, and I'm gonna put it on top of this album, and I'll also put in the photo card it came with, which is Anyujin. Dang, I kind of want Anyujin. She's my second favorite member in IVE, but I'm just gonna put it in the Gundam set and then cover it up so that he's gonna get 2 surprises once he opens this Gundam up. So yeah, that's the plan. I am very tired now, so I'm gonna go get some rest, and then I'll see you all tomorrow. See ya! Hey everyone, it's Future Cameron here. I just wanted to take a quick moment of your time to talk about ESR's brand new Rebound magnetic keyboard case and how it's transformed my iPad experience. If you've been watching any of my vlogs recently, you probably know that the iPad is one of my most useful items that I have to use for note-taking, studying, and even content creation. However, I've always had a problem with finding a case that's been able to seamlessly blend functionality, portability, and protection. That is until I discovered ESR's Rebound magnetic keyboard case. For the longest time, I've actually had to rely on Apple's keyboard case, but I could never really fully enjoy it since it could never actually provide the protection that I needed. It was really more a keyboard than it was a case. That is until I found ESR's equivalent, which provided all of the functionalities I ever wanted. The case's sleek design and detachable case provides superior protection for my iPad, giving me the peace of mind I've always been looking for. And the magnetic stand makes it super easy for me to transition between many different views depending on the scenario. There are also special shortcut buttons at the top of the keyboard that help make my iPad experience a lot smoother. One of my favorite parts of ESR's case though that Apple's case does not have is actually the Apple Pencil protection. ESR's case provides an extra magnetic flap that goes around the Apple Pencil to protect the Apple Pencil from falling off no matter what what happens to the case. If you're looking for the perfect iPad case to maximize your iPad experience, I'd totally suggest ESR's Rebound magnetic keyboard case. In fact, I've actually got a special link in the comment section down below that you can use to get this case for yourself. Anyways, thank you ESR for sponsoring the video. Now let's get back to the vlog. Hey everyone, so Luann and I just finished church and now we are heading to get some boba. Then after that, I need to lock in with a lot of work. And Luann is going to Toronto. That smells so bad. Oh my gosh. I'm back. And I need to lock in. So for the next few hours, I'm gonna be working on JavaScript. I'm gonna just be continuing what I was doing yesterday. I want to get up to arrays today, I think, which shouldn't be impossible, I think. So hopefully it goes well. Less talking, more action. I just finished spending a couple hours now purely working on coding and was able to finish all the different modules I wanted to complete, which is really nice. Honestly, it's not that hard, which is good because a lot of it is quite similar to the languages I already know, like Java and C++, all those other object-oriented languages. So that's pretty nice. The only difference is like connecting it to the HTML with like the event listeners and all that stuff. It's a tiny bit different, but luckily I have had to use it a lot at work. So overall, it hasn't been too bad. It's just nice filling up some holes and really understanding how certain features work, because before I just like type in something and be like, I had to type this in before to get this type of outcome. So I'm guessing I'll have to use it again. But it's like I didn't really actually know what was going on behind the scenes to see like how it actually worked. So it was really nice finally learning that. It is, what time is it? Oh my gosh, it's already 7, which is crazy. And I'm getting a bit hungry. I took a couple breaks while doing the coding because I had to give my sister the Lululemon clothing that I picked up for her yesterday. So that was nice, but still hungry and I'm really craving maratang. So I'm gonna go walk a couple blocks to this really good maratang restaurant that has been closed for a while but recently reopened. Get some food in my system, and while eating I'm going to finish up editing the video I was editing yesterday. It is literally almost done. I just need to add final touches to make it perfect. Then after that I'll come back and decide what work needs to be done. So yeah, let's go eat maratang. I just finished dinner and sorry I couldn't really do work there or record because my mom actually called me there. So we were just catching up about things in life and I honestly lost track of time, and by the time we were done I already finished like all the food. I thought that I should probably change my study environment to become a bit more productive. So I'm just gonna go ahead to my school's library to get some more work done. Hopefully I can go through a couple more modules and also maybe get some video editing done as well. Let's go.